A man of fire cannot be stopped, cannot be resisted. Throw challenges at him, throw demons at him, throw witches at him. Everything negative that comes into his space becomes a stumbling block that kindles higher dimensions of the passion, higher dimensions of the fire, higher dimensions of the hand of God upon his life. You cannot kill a man with fire. Lokesi mahaboko maikoskito bekabakuta. You can't kill a man with fire. There is a propeller on the inside of him. This propeller is awake, it is alive, it keeps active, it's active. The motor is mobilized because there's fire.